Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today the girl is going to be doing an experiment on the body. So what I have right here with me is a body cavitation machine, and it's a 5-in-1, and it has like different tools for different areas of the body. So let me just start off by thanking Mychway for sponsoring this video. The purpose of this machine right here is to contour your body and getting rid of any stubborn fat that you have, and it also can tighten, tone and shape your skin. So if you have any cellulite, loose skin, love angles, fine line and wrinkles, this is supposed to be the Shin Naive. I'm gonna do this within a month time span. So hopefully within a month I can be like, okay, this is what we're working with. So follow along with me with before and after, and I'm also going to measure and re-measure my waist. So yeah, and it was very easy putting the machine together. All you need to do is just follow the instruction and you're good. So cavitation can be performed 2 to 3 times a week for 15 to 30 minutes with each tools. So I want to share my experience and my results, but if you want to know more in depth, I would highly suggest that you do your own research, because I'm basically going off of what they say to me. So that's why I'm like 1 month and then I'll be back. So I'm going to show you the basic steps that you need to take when using this machine. And to do the cavitation, you're going to need some form of slip. So they sent me the facial gel. I don't know why it's a facial gel, because I'm not going to touch my face. I'm going to say that much. I'm not going to do my face. I'm only going to focus on my stomach. Yeah, I'm going to focus on my stomach for now. And look by look, should we work our way up to the rest of fuck them. Girl is going to get her body all together for 2025. Yes, so I'm going to talk about snatch waist. Any part of my ab gots to go, because tummy need to be flat like wall. We're render good, so get your level and let's get this. Okay, so this is 33. Focus camera, don't play with me. 33. Kind of confused why they send me a facial gel, you know. Okay, down. Ooh. Just want to make sure that certain part is not showing. Alright, so the target area, the abdomen. So here's a close-up view of the 5-in-1 ultrasonic body cavitation machine, and here you have the time. So it's at 0 right now. It goes up to 60 minutes. So you have 20, 25. It doesn't go any further than 60. And here you have the energy level. So let us see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the energy level goes up to 9. You have 40K, vacuum, body, face, eye, RF. Down here you have the function. Function control whatever tools that I'm gonna be using, and you have play. So I'm gonna start with 15 minutes. Yes, energy level 3. So the 40K, which is this tool right here, and with a diagram, all you need to do is just look at whatever tool you click on to know which one is for what. Gel time. I'm applying a generous amount all around the area that I'm working on. I'm not going to talk about each sessions because I have 12 sessions to go, and I just want you to know from the beginning with the steps and tools and what it's going to do to your skin. Okay, what this does is open the fat cells and releasing them. So basically breaking down the fat cells. And for each tools, I wipe off the area with some paper towel and then reapplying the gel. And it's a water-based gel. Now I'm gonna move over to the vacuum and RF. So I think I'm gonna work with the same 15 minutes. Energy level 3, and the mode goes up to 5. But for now, as a starter, I'm gonna work with 1. I'm just starting out, so I'm not gonna rush it and, you know, speed it up. No, I'm gonna increase as I go to see what I can tolerate. Vacuum and RF, which the RF stands for radio frequency, and this is going to direct the toxins out of the body. Now we're gonna move over to the body RF and same 15 minutes. It's this tool right here. Can't miss it. All you need to do is just look at the diagram and match it. That's it. Body RF, and what this is going to do is stimulate the fibroblasts to produce collagen and elastin. So body RF is going to tighten and tone the skin, and it also soften out any wrinkles. Yeah, that them say. Moving in small circles, sometimes big circles, or zigzag motions, you know, and for the side, moving it up and down. I'm not applying a lot of pressure. I'm just simple gliding it around the stomach and focusing on the main area. That is it. So this is a girl 1 month after using the 5-in-1 body cavitation machine, and I can say that I see a little result in it. I'm not gonna say that it's the greatest result, but I know after using it for a while, I do think there is something there. You understand me? And what I also love that you can do it in the comfort of your home. You know, you want privacy, you take it up, use it, put it down. And going to the salon is going to be costly because it's payment per session, and I am not a trade professional in this field, but I'm just giving you my personal take on the machine. The ear needs to be in place while I'm talking, so if you see me I'm using this machine, you need to do at-home care, as in eating healthy, exercising, getting the body physically active because you want to detox. So exercise is extremely important. And for the people who don't want to do too much, you can try steam room treatment. That is also beneficial because it allows the body to sweat and release toxins. So you can try that. Also, it is important to drink plenty of water. I think they recommended 1 liter of water 2 hours before and after treatment. Yes, water also helps to detox by urinating, and I think that is the easiest part, right? So get your water up, drink plenty of it, and use the machine. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this machine right here, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. I wonder if I have a coupon code. If I do, I will also list it there. So later, and I will catch on the next one. Yeah, wait, I almost forget to remeasure it, so let me do that part. We are back at it, so let me adjust the camera. Okay, so we are measuring up back the waist. Oh, in there, is it too tight? I passed half heading to 30. Hello, listen to me. Focus. Well, I almost lost an inch, so 1 month. Oh wow.
Okay, take care of the woman them. In a Kingston city with a small waist, but ass too